One time only.
Only once.
Okay. Here.
On the platform of the
Okay.
train. When you go.
Thank you. Okay.
Mie kaip ir jau šnekas, susirinas, ten buvo išspręsti. Susiduodu savaitę, jau važiuoti bet apskritai, bet, pavyzdžiui, su trafiku būtų galima sutarti, bet jisai per daug yra.
Das, was wir bekommen haben, auch voll okay.
Made it. This is the park. And
Apike ganun dyan ano? Huwag nyo masyadong lasingin si Coco baka maalis yung...
Hallo, komm rein!
we made it. Hi. Car park?
What? No idea. Wala na mong dala, no? Mayigil.
This is the room.
May bulak na kanang peonies akong cousin.
Ay, makabakala ka. Ka-cute. Ka-sweet good. Uy.
Yagal yung tato'y kabaon ng iyahan. Sudlan na niya picture. Wow ko ba?
Kaya niabot na cookie. Kaya nanin ng storya.
Dulo na lang. Ito pala yung sample. Kunin ko na ito sample. Puro kailangan mo.
Pasampol.
Ito.
Pag stoplight right.
Bombay ta.
Di ba? Hapo kita niya. Mga turista. Sige ah.
Agay! Sakita ito ba ito? Suga naman. Huli mo, Rod. Kulay.
Okay. Prost. Prost. Da. Ay, dili ko eh.
Disco lang gaya lang. Ano ba sa word yun?
Ba.
Magma. Awan sa video ke after party. After ha?
Nakaamulan ka.
After mo.
So I'm not actually sure if kabulo sila kami padulong, but basa na kayo ko. As you can see here. This is crazy. Basa kayo mga
Ay, gigilin mo Stockholm.
So, nagbaktay na sa dmi kay Sangay Tabo. Okay, nag-stop na ng train. So, yeah, baktay na lang. Napod. Pero kung gusto mo ka magkaon sa gawas,
Okay.
then, ibasa na kay ko. Gusto ko. Kani siya. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Ready na, ready? Yawa ako, ready na ko. Tagay daw ko na mong asin. Gamay lang. Thank you. Okay.
Pros.
Cross! Cross!
Gila sa pros ba? Bira kayong pros ba?
Nami. Masay oras? Kita taga Berlin. Yeah!
Berliner. Love you 3 times. Ay, ka na. Mga bacteria.
Sikano. Oh! My shot. Gapo ina. Gapo may the best.
Sa basta class sa pangalan. Dili. Sige salud ah. Salud.
Sharp cake, ay kayo nakakita nyo na.
Underground lang.
Kaya nakakita.
Hindi, pag-agi. Uy, nagtingin ko.
Doon ako nga. Underground.
Wala ko focus ulit ko hotel.
Pero sa itong lugar po sa hotel, di ba? Mas lounge eh.
Yun. Ako itong excited. Pero,
Ay, napag-ihap. Ayaw na pag-ihap.
okay, Spice. Cookie, thank you. Dankeschön.
Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, bro!
And Green Island iced tea.
For me, I would like to have some curry, chicken curry, and one black coffee.
Like coffee?
Yeah, that's it. No cream, no sugar, that's it.
Okay. Kaswerte yung tinuod niya. Turahan. Volver? Ah, mang Volver.
Sa'yo mo. Sige, mag-picture ta. Selfie na ta.
Nice. So pretty.
When the master who's wrapping the gable taps it, with one tap, it means everybody should sit down. Okay, so when he does two taps, or two wraps of the gable, all the officers would stand up and the public would have to remain seated. Example, one wrap, and then sit down. Okay, if I'm an officer, if I would have to stand up, but I'm not, so I will sit down. So, three wraps means everybody would stand up. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Sai.
Nice.
Brother installing marshal, you will retire and please escort the dignitaries in the east and the honorable guests to the west of the altar.
Installing Officer. I have the honor and privilege here to present Worshipful Master Cyril Lastimosa, Worshipful Master of D. Rohan Lodge 9670, Malta, under United Grand Lodge of England, Royal Archmason. Brother Harry Antonio King II, Ordanita Lodge 302, under the Grand Lodge of the Philippines, Frank Sherman Fellow. Brother Louis Anco, Demole Loyalty Chapter in Manila, 348 El Union Lodge 937, Grand Orient of Italy, Grand Representative Italy and Malta. Sister Maria Carmela Rubio, Antorium Assembly Number 5, International Order of Rainbow for Girls, Cagayan de Oro, and Cadena de Amor Chapter Number 16, Order of Eastern Star. And Brother Cornelio Basilio, Master Mason, Berlin Outpost Lodge Number 46, and Her Excellency Ambassador Susan Natividad, represented by Ms. Dana Del Rosario, Third Secretary and Vice Consul, Philippine Embassy in Germany.
Friends, in behalf of Knights Templar Dimulay Alumni Chapter under dispensation, we welcome you with the warmest hearts into our first public installation of officers. And you may enjoy your stay here in Germany. With the warmest hearts, we welcome you, and please enjoy our activities and our public installation. Thank you and welcome. Brother Installing Marshal, you will escort the honorable guests and dignitaries to the east of. The honorable dignitaries in the East, distinguished guests, dad, masons, and moms, brother Dimulays, sisters in the order, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be chosen as the installing officer for a group of distinguished men who have voluntarily grouped themselves for a worthy purpose of helping build and develop a nation. Through guiding and empowering the youth of the Philippines, through the programs and projects and activities of the Order of Dimulay and the Dimulay Alumni Association of the Philippines. These are the senior members of the Order who have been nurtured under the 7 Dimulay cardinal virtues of love of God, love of country, love of family, courtesy, comradeship, and cleanness during their formative years in their respective Dimulay chapters, and desire to continue their journey in the Dimulay way of life. In view of this, and with the authority vested upon me by the National President of the Dimulay Alumni Association of the Philippines, I now declare Knights Templar Dimulay Alumni Chapter under dispensation open for the purpose of installation. Brother Installing Marshal, you will attend to the altar. Our forefathers were well aware that religious liberty, represented by the Holy Bible, civil liberty, represented by the flag of our country, the Philippines, and intellectual liberty, represented by the school books, must go hand in hand in order to be effective. Around these bulwarks, the Order of Dimulay places 7 candles, which are symbolic to the 7 cardinal virtues of a Dimulay, that are reverence for sacred things, or love of God; patriotism, or love of country; filial love, or love of family; courtesy, comradeship, fidelity, and cleanness. As the light from these candles permeates this chapter room, let your light so shine before men, so that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. Our forefathers were well aware that religious liberty, represented by the Holy Bible, civil liberty, represented by the flag of our country, the Philippines, and intellectual liberty, represented by the school books, must go hand in hand in order to be effective. Around these bulwarks, the Order of Dimulay places 7 candles, which are symbolic to the 7 cardinal virtues of a Dimulay, that are reverence for sacred things, or love of God; patriotism, or love of country; filial love, or love of family; courtesy, comradeship, fidelity, and cleanness. As the light from these candles permeates this chapter room, let your light so shine before men, so that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven.
Tapatan ng lumabas sa katawan ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag, na may banal, katarungan at kalayaan, na pagkakilos ng sambayan ng Diyos, makatao, makalakasan at makabansa.
Ang araw ng pambansang watawat. 13 araw mula ngayon ay ating ipagdiriwang ang ikasandaan 27 taong anibersaryo ng ating pagkasarinlan. Tayo ay nandito sa pasubuan ng Republika ng Pilipinas sa bansang Alemanya. Mula sa mapagpalang mga kamay nila Doña Marcela Mariño Agoncillo, Lorenza Mariño Agoncillo, Delfina Herbosa Natividad, na itahi ang simbolo ng pagkakaisa. Ang watawat na naladlad sa inyong harapan ay siyang watawat ng ating bansa, ang Pilipinas, na walang kapawasan. Isang republika, demokratiko, malaya at nagsasarili.
Our Almighty and Heavenly Father, we thank you for your grace and faithfulness over our lives. We offer to you our praise and thanksgiving for bringing us safely to this place and gathering all of us today for the purpose which you have called us to follow and obey. To grant them knowledge and guidance in the performance of their responsibilities as officers of this alumni chapter with unwavering.
Our officers who will be for this year. Our chapter president, Mark Paulo Pisigan. Vice President, Jay Bernal. Secretary, Patrick Come. Our treasurer, Brother Renan Ballesteros. Our auditor, Brother Broderick Timin. Our PROs, Brother Joshua James Morilla and Brother Don Harold Uy. And our chaplain, Brother Ravel Tupino. Solemn officer, I present to you Brother Jay Bernal, who has been duly elected as Vice President for the ensuing term. Brother and solemn officer, I present to you Patrick Come, who has been duly elected as Secretary for the ensuing term. Elected as Treasurer for the ensuing term.
Brother Renan Ballesteros,
Peter for the ensuing term.
Brother Brodette Liming, you have been elected as auditor, and your
Brother Installing Officer, I present to you Brother James Morilia and Brother Don Harold Uy, who has been duly elected as PROs for the ensuing term. Brother Installing Officer, I present to you Brother Rival Tupino, who has been duly elected as Chaplain for the ensuing term.
for the welfare and benefit
For the welfare and benefit
of the youth and community.
of the youth and community.
Brother Installing Officer, I present to you our Chapter President, Brother Mark Paulo Pisigan, who has been elected as Chapter President of Knights Templar Dimole Alumni under Dispensation for Installation.
Brother Mark Paulo Pisigan, you have been singled out by your brethren as the leader and chief steward of this Dimole Alumni Chapter. As chapter president, you're expected to effectively and efficiently perform and fulfill your duties and responsibilities to the very best of your abilities. Say I.
I,
Pronounce your name in full.
Mark Paulo Medina Pisigan,
In my capacity as chapter president
in my capacity as chapter president
of Knights Templar Dimole Alumni Chapter under dispensation,
Knights Templar Dimole Alumni Chapter under dispensation
Of Dimole, the Order of the Philippines, and with the direction of the Installing Officer, I hereby declare the officers of Knights Templar Dimole Alumni under dispensation duly and regularly installed.
distinguished guests, for you to proceed with the program.
This occasion marks not only the beginning of our journey together, but also a celebration of the values that unite us: brotherhood and sisterhood, leadership and service. As we come together to honor the dedication and commitment of our new officers, we recognize the rich heritage and traditions of the Knights Templar and the Dimole Order, as well as being Filipino. This chapter stands as a beacon of hope and guidance for the youth in our community here in Europe, inspiring them to strive for excellence and uphold the principles of integrity and charity. Thank you for your presence and support as we embark on this exciting new chapter, and together we will forge lasting bonds, make a positive impact, and carry forward the legacy of Knights Templar. So welcome, everybody. Now, I would like okay, and lights.
I stand before you, this sacred Dimole altar, upon which we have placed the mighty bulwarks of our faith, the Holy Bible and the school books. Not far away rests the banner of our beloved country. Standing as sentries are these 7 burning candles, beacons in the darkness, lights to illuminate our pathway as we journey ever onward down the road of life. These are the symbols of what is good and right with the world. It is the standards upon which we as Dimole pledge to base our lives. First candle symbolizes the love between parents and child. It's a love which existed before we were born, has remained all our life through, and will follow us even beyond the grave. The sages named this love agape, the love for no other reason than the sake of me. The second candle is emblematic for reverence for all that is sacred. A young man crossing a threshold for a demolay professes a deep and abiding faith in one living and true God. Without this steadfast faith and grace from our Heavenly Father, our toil would be for nothing. The third candle stands simply for courtesy. Courtesy that transcends friendships. Courtesy that reaches to the stranger, to the aged, to all men. It is this courtesy that brings a warm feeling and a smile. It makes this life more pleasant for others as it lights the pathway before us. The fourth candle, the center, R7, stands symbolically for comradeship. Millions of young men, such as ourselves, have knelt at this symbolic altar and has dedicated themselves in the same high principles of good sonship and good citizenship. As long as we remain faithful to these pledges, as long as there is an order of Dimulay, we are one. The fifth candle stands simply for fidelity. Dimulay can never be justly be false to his vows, his promises, his God. He is called upon daily to defend the bulwarks and presence of the order, that he may never fail as a leader and as a man. The sixth candle symbolizes cleanness. Not the bodily cleanness which we all practice, but the cleanness of every thought, word, and deed. Only in cleanness can a Dimulay rightly be representative of the pureness of the teachings of the order. The last candle is emblematic for patriotism. Perhaps we shall never be called upon to defend our country in the field of battle, but each day affords new opportunities to stand as good and upright citizens in behalf of our beloved banner and our hallowed land. Yet, we live in troubled times. When these bulwarks, the Holy Bible, the flag, and school books are in danger of sinking into the waves of doubt and uncertainty. When these glorious presents may not be considered the most coveted standards upon which to base one's life, and if trust, justice, and brotherhood may not be considered the most virtuous of all qualities, and if we as Dimulay do not stand unswervingly to the defense of our teachings of the order, if we do not seek to perpetuate them in our daily lives, then perhaps these flames will be extinguished, muted in the shadows, and darkness shall inherit the land. And yet, each of you as a Dimulay holds within your heart a flame, a beacon to guide you through the darkness. If you can make this light shine upon another, if you can reach the innermost depth of his soul and set his flame afire, then therein lies the purpose of the order of Dimulay. Then therein lies the purpose of your living.
Thank you very much, Brother Jay, for that very
The Order of Dimulay teaches many important lessons. In particular, the 7 cardinal virtues presented by our preceptors. Of the 7, filial love, the love of a parent, is first among the jewels adorning the crown. My brothers and sisters, this afternoon, we honor fatherhood. And most importantly, our own father, the man who have guided us to manhood.
My brothers, you have been permitted to take upon yourself the name of one of the world's most heroic knightly figures. Now you can say, I am Dimili. To be deemed worthy of the privilege of entering into the comradeship of that great army of youth, both here and abroad, demonstrates our confidence that the finest of your purposes will guide your development into the highest type of man, into the lowest depths of infamy and degradation, but never below the reach of love. The memory of it will always stir your heart. There is no man so entirely base, so completely vile, that he does not hold in his heart a shrine sacred apart from the memory of his mother's love. If I were to draw you a picture of love divine, it would not be that of a stately angel, with a form that is full of grace. We want each of you to take a flower from the altar, which you did. If your mother has passed over to the other shore, you will choose a white flower and keep it always sacred to her memory. May the sight of it always quicken ever tender memory of her and strengthen you in your efforts to be worthy of hopes. If your mother is living, you will choose a red flower. When you go home tonight, give it to your mother. Take her in your arms and say, Mother, I've learned a great lesson tonight. The ceremonies have helped me realize more fully how much you really to me. And I'm going to try to show you daily how much you care, how much you love me. Someday you'll find that flower, I know not where, perhaps in her Bible or prayer book, a silent witness to what this night has offered to the one whose love for you, her son, her daughter. is beyond the comprehension of any son and daughter.
Our Heavenly Father, we thank you for the successful holding of the installation of officers of Knights Templar Dimolay Alumni Chapter under dispensation.
The Philippine Embassy in Germany. Please go.
Right, thank you so much for inviting me in this solemn ceremony. It's my first time to be invited to such an event, so it's really such an honor. Thank you, Paolo. So let me go through my speech. Distinguished officers, esteemed
To everyone. At mabuhay tayong lahat.
Wow.
Historic.
Bye.
Kaya ako ipadali.
Yeah, even we are easily came from there.
Oy, thank you. Hello. Saan magsimula? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Boom. Biko.
Test technology. Test technology.
All in one. Alagad ng inyo. Alagad ng inyo pagkuhan ba? Gitanan-tanan mo na dyan. Si Pao. All in one man po si Pao. Oo. Segunda ka. Let's welcome on stage to perform Binawag Dance from the Philippines, originally the mother and daughter Carmela and Adrian. Let's give a hand of applause for both of them. Thank you so much. behalf of our worship master, worship brother Mark Baxter, I want
Hello everyone. I'm gonna try to do Gago Satintei, which is hopefully a song that some of you or most of you might know from Romania. It was really popular at some point. Jesse.
para sa ating lahat. Sana, isa na to. Sayang na to, isa. Tama pala ako. Ikaw, talagang ko may kasalanan nito eh.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Do it? Maganda din yung stage ba to? Oy, ang ganda ng production ni James, ha?
Yes.
Diba? May payong, ha? May payong. Para hindi kayo masilog, hindi na po ako nagigigil. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, butang na diri ah.
Skip lang muna si Cookie.
Nara, nara.
Dali po may mag-siya. Oh, where's the bar?
Salbakuta, bayan. Tapos sa iyo, ang kala ko pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi na kanyang uwasin ang kulay ng kulay. Girl, pretty bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny? All the dessert, wala man lang recognition. So don't be mad. Stupid! Stupid love! Kuman na!
Hindi na ako kaya. Skaters, skaters.
Wala ko yung
Barsek is minipakyo. Maayos siya minipakyo. Maayos siya, magaling siya na tao. Itong gwapa, no? Gwapa siya.
Ay, tara. Oh, ato na ta. Okay.
Rich people, but a bit boring. Oh, okay.
Hmm?
And you?
Turkish. Turkish.
Yes, okay.
Sauce
Dalag cash.
Spicy.
Spicy.
And garlic.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Basilica. Amigo.
Manambal.
Bahay!
Sa maliit.
Dili, sa virus na po.
Da.
Ninong Rai.
Yeah. Nino. Panlasang Pinoy. Sanasad ni bro.
Kaya buksan ko yung gate. Huwag kang kalak yan. Tamis.
Flavor ba, no?
Pero mas masarap talaga pag... Yes! Yung smoke. Yung smoke. Yes, one.
We have pasta.
You also like chicken.
Filipino style pasta.
No, it's okay. Okay.
Sarap, diba? Ako yung pangatlo na bumili ako. Bumili siya. Pero dami na. Para matampoy. Wala nang walang... Punta na kami ng edit ka. Ha?
Sa daan.
Easy.
Okay. Ay, panalo yan.
It's too late.
Sariling ano yan. Kebab. Sariling kebab. Panalo yan. Ito, spicy yan.
Ay, sorry. Gunito sa others side. Okay.
Ito o doon? Sa loob. Ito yung masarap niya. Ayan. Boom. Ang sarap. Lab na lab ako niyan si Ergon. Baling. Kaya nga eh. Hindi ako nag-assemble ng grill niya. Hindi marunong mag-assemble. Kung ay, spicy. Iwan ako to dito.
Dito nila.
Hot dogs. Alam, di kanyo?
Masarap to. Burger.
Ribs. Ay, sorry. Ano ni? Ano?
Ribs.
Saan?
Lang.
Allah.
May pagkain na naman. Binigay ko ng bahay mo siya. Parang grill ano mo siya.
Lamig. Dot lang kami ngayon.
Ding napkabo. Asya diri sa level kung asa magpalit og ticket. And then the trains.
afternoon. Welcome to Valencia, where the local time is 8:45. We are just 10 minutes ahead of schedule. Please remain seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped. Tell the captain has switched off the fasten and seatbelt sign for you. Please be careful when loading over lockers as items may fall out and cause injuries. Laptops, computers, smartphones, and your devices must remain securely stowed. You may now use your mobile phones. Please refrain from smoking until you reach the designated smoking area outside of the terminal building. On behalf of Ryanair, but most especially your onboard crew today, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we would like to wish you a safe and onward journey. Thank you.